Hi, so today we're talking about expense receipt tracker. So if you see, this is a simple database which I've created at the bottom, which has all the expense receipt details. Like we have the receipt number, the date, the payer name, the payer email, and other relevant information added over here. And if you see the database on the top, we have summarized this database into four different views. First is the monthly receipts, which shows all the monthly receipt values that we have added up over here. So whatever date you select, as per that, it will create a new month for you over here. Then we have the expense receipts as per different modes of payments that we have made. So some things have been on bank transfer, some are on credit card, some are on PayPal. So all these things are showing up over here. And if you see the database under the payment method, we have also added those same particular columns. Then we have the products and services. So these are the exact products and services for which we have made an expense, like annual plan, monthly subscription, one-time service. So everything is showing up over here as well. Then finally, we have a paid by field, which specifies who has made the payment. So the person who has made the payment, they are recorded over here under the paid by column. So this is how you classify different records under different views, and you can also customize and make changes to this particular database in the view as per your requirement. Besides this, I also want to highlight that if you are looking to generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing one database and a template, you can take help of PDF output. I have given a video over here which showcases how you can use a Google document and a Notion database to create any PDF document as per your choice. So if you're looking to create invoices or any kind of documents in bulk, you can take help of PDF output and start generating PDF documents. So it works both with Notion as well as Google Sheet. So you can take help of Notion database as well as Google Sheet to take advantage of this. If you have any queries or any questions regarding this demonstration, reach out to me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.